When looking for peace and quiet while camping, a noisy refrigerator can be disruptive, and sometimes even concerning, as it may suggest something is wrong with the unit. When it comes to the Furrion FCR10DCGFA, a compressor-driven refrigerator, what do you need to know to identify and fix any abnormal noise? This refrigerator operates similarly to a standard residential fridge, which means it makes a small net amount of noise when the compressor cycles on to cool the compartments. However, there is a key difference. RV refrigerators are often installed in cabinetry, which can amplify the sound of the compressor. This is in contrast to the traditional absorption-style RV refrigerators, which operate almost silently. For the Furrion model, normal operating noise levels are around 45 to 50 decibels. This is about the same volume of a quiet conversation. But if operation seems louder than usual, several factors could be contributing to the problem. One common issue is improper leveling. If the refrigerator's leveling feet aren't adjusted properly, or if the surface it's mounted on isn't secure, vibrations can increase in the materials, making the noise more noticeable. One fix is to twist the leveling feet clockwise or counterclockwise as needed until the fridge is stable. Another fix is to reinforce the mounting surface of the cabinetry of the RV. Also, check the clearance around the refrigerator. Inadequate clearance can restrict airflow and increase vibrations of nearby walls or objects. It needs at least 1 inch of space on all sides to prevent noise from being amplified. When does noise indicate a bigger problem? If the fridge is abnormally loud after checking for leveling and clearance, it might point to an issue with the compressor. The compressor may lack sufficient oil, which can happen in 2 scenarios. There is damage to the compressor casing, causing an oil leak. The fridge was stored on its side before installation, allowing oil to flow into the refrigerant lines. If this was followed up by the refrigerator not sitting upright long enough before being powered on, this can prevent the compressor oil and refrigerant from properly settling. Symptoms to look for are the compressor operating at 70 or 80 decibels, which is much louder than normal, inadequate cooling performance in the refrigerator, and what you can do if you think this has happened is turn off the refrigerator and wait 24 to 48 hours. This allows the oil and refrigerant time to settle back into their proper positions. If that doesn't resolve the issue, the compressor may be permanently damaged. In that case, the refrigerator will need to be replaced, as repairs aren't a practical or recommended option for this kind of damage, being that it would require cutting into the refrigerant lines. Taking that same line of thought a bit further, if you discover a compressor leak, or if the compressor has been permanently damaged from running without sufficient oil, simply replacing the damaged part isn't a practical option. By addressing these potential causes, you can restore peace and quiet and ensure your fridge is running efficiently.